Hey Gideon.
What?
Hold your bag up. Can I see what you got there? Hold it up. Oh.
Yeah.
What day is it today, Gideon?
Fireworks!
Fireworks Day?
Yeah.
It's Fireworks Day. Is it Fireworks Day?
Yeah. I'm falling at you.
Uh-oh.
Run.
Oh. It's a smoke bomb. Oh.
Okay, don't get my ass.
It's a smoke bomb! It's a smoke bomb!
What's gonna happen?
Should we do another one?
Yeah. Come on, guys! Move back! Move back! Ah! Okay. It's like a train! Yeah.
I think it'll make pink smoke.
Yeah. Wow, you funny daddy. Okay, Gideon.
It's gonna make pink smoke.
I know.
Whoa. Maybe not. It's blue. Ooh, that's
It's magenta
good.
smoke.
Magenta smoke.
Yeah, it's magenta. Hey, magenta, magenta, magenta. Yeah.
Hey, Noah, what do you got there?
We have some tanks. Yeah,
Tanks. Oh. It's a whole army full of tanks.
Yeah.
Let's set up a battle.
Yeah.
Should we do 3 tanks or 4 tanks?
Yeah. 4 tanks. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a great battle with 4 tanks. Here we go. That one didn't start. Oh, there it goes. Whoa!
Look at all those!
Yeah.
Smoke balls. How do you do these?
You get them, Gideon?
Yeah, how do you do a smoke ball? Don't touch it. Snake.
Snake? What is it, Gideon?
Snake.
Snake?
Yeah. How does it magic?
What is it, Gideon?
Snake.
Yeah.
A snake. Wait for mommy. Mommy probably wants to say snake.
Hey, Benaya.
Here.
You celebrating the 4th of July? 2009.
No, we're not opening it. Okay? Hey, I'm ready.
There's a toe. There's some baby toes. As soon as I light it, you throw it, okay? Okay, you can throw it now. Wow. Okay, you ready, Gideon?
When
Here we
is
go.
it going to be my turn? Throw it!
Throw it!
Mom, move back!
Right.
Oh!
No.
Back up,
Get in the
Gideon.
back.
Oh, that one didn't spin. You ready? Here we go.
I'll do a wave.
Go!
Ready? There
Do
you go.
it!
Good throw.
Oh, move back. No. I love doing fire breaks.